Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to disable notifications on Snapchat. Turning off notifications can help you stay focused and reduce distractions from constant alerts. So let's get started on how to disable notifications on Snapchat. First, open the Settings app on your device. Go to the notification settings. Scroll through the list of apps until you find Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat app to access its notification settings. Here you can see the Allow Notifications option at the top of the screen. Simply tap on the toggle switch next to this option to turn off notifications for Snapchat. And this is how you can disable notifications on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.